Okay, so let's switch gears and talk about My Contact Center Enterprise 9.3. This is a product that is predominantly used in Europe, South America, and Asia Pacific. It is the contact center application on site that goes with the My Voice MX1 platform. And since this is an America's audience, and we do have customers that actually use this, and we do have channels that sold it in North America, so I thought I'd quickly give you an update on what we launched on April 18th with My Contact Center Enterprise 9.3. So first of all, looking at the highlights of the release, in 9.3 there was a lot of security features that were added to close some of the gaps that we had in that space. We revamped the web agent, and I'll show you images of that. And then Web Manager was also enhanced with new reporting. And the attendant agent has also been evolved. Now we're in the phase 2 of the evolution of the attendant agent, and I believe there's still one more phase in order for us to be completely up to speed on the agent attendant features. There was some platform consolidation that went on. We're not going to get into that today, and then some additional enhancements as well. So let's quickly talk about security. So essentially I can summarize this in 2 words or less. So voice encryption. So encryption was one of the things that was added in 9.3 for the agent soft phone, as well as the IVR ports, the web services. All of those HTTPS calls and things like that are all encrypted. And then optionally, you can encrypt the TLS messaging that goes over the sockets or over the CSTA link. And then secondly, password handling. So there's a number of improvements to the security of the password and the way passwords are handled and aged and so on. And so that was added in 9.3 as well. On the web agent front, right, so we're working to have feature parity, for the web agent to have feature parity with the desktop agent client. So things like full CTI support, being able to answer the call, make a call, and transfer a call within the web agent. Web agent now supports callbacks. We can actually screen pop inside an embedded tab within the browser. We can also handle open media, things like social media and third-party chat and email and so on, right within the web agent iframe. And then we've enhanced some of the real-time displays, and call logging and desktop messaging is now all part of the web agent. I just want to give you a sort of a quick view into what this looks like. So this is what the web agent toolbar looks like now with all the call controls built in. And then we're just showing you an example of what the call qualification code experience would be like. So just clicking on that icon, and it opens up this little toaster window, and then you just fill in the account and then hit OK. This is what a callback would look like within the web agent. Very clean, very simple, very intuitive. And here's an example of a web agent receiving a call that's come in, say, on the banking queue. And what they've done is they're showing here a screen pop within the web agent interface. So the agent now is able to see the banking customer's information right within the agent window. All right, so here's an example of open media. So this would be the customer experience. So here's a customer that is logged into, say, the corporate Facebook page, and they have written a comment and then posted that comment on the company's Facebook page. That request would then get routed into the My Contact Center Enterprise workflow engine and find an available agent that has the skill set to handle Facebook posts. And so this is on the agent side of the house, running the web agent interface. They would see that come into their inbox, so to speak. So you can see Ben Harv, new post coming in from Facebook. is offered, and then if they accept that contact, they then get to see the information at the bottom, who it is and the page in which to respond to this post. So the agent would then click on that link, and then it would open up the Facebook URL where the agent can then respond to Ben Harvey. All right, and that would be tracked as an open media or a social media interaction within the My Contact Center Enterprise reporting. This is what the web agent would see from a real-time dashboard perspective. If they click on the real-time tab, they'll be able to see all of the availability of the various queues that the agent is assigned to. And then moving over to the web manager side of the house, so there was some performance enhancements and sort of the reports that are available now in the web manager have been increased, and you can now access them from the users, service groups, and agent group lists. Right, so you have some improved graph options there to choose from as well. This is just an example of what one of the performance reports would look like now within the web manager for My Contact Center Enterprise. And then the attendant agent enhancements. There's a number of enhancements made in this second phase of evolution of the attendant agent within My Contact Center Enterprise. So you can see the features listed there. Manual recall of last transferred call. Busy lamp fields is now supported. And again, this is sort of to get feature parity with the thick client. So if you want more information on My Contact Center Enterprise, if Mitel employees would go to this marketing SharePoint, but if you're a channel, we have posted all of the latest and greatest materials updated for release 9.3 up onto InfoChannel. So just going to Mitel Worldwide, Products and Solutions, click on My Contact Center, and then you'll find My Contact Center Enterprise in there. And for any other questions regarding this product, I highly recommend you talk to the PLM, Bo Stenlund, who has been PLM for this product for many, many years and can answer any kind of question you have, and I'm the product marketing manager for this product.